So artificial intelligence plus industries 4.0, that is what we then call cognitive industries or cognitive factory. That's there. And you remember a little bit smart industries, you might have heard, smart cities you have heard. So for the definition there, a smart city is that you have electronic devices everywhere where it's important, that you can monitor a city, a house, a factory from a remote place. That is what the idea of a smart city, of a smart factory is. And now we need to take this digital twin that we create. A digital twin is simply having all the data from the real world somewhere on your computer so that you can see everything that happens in the real world also in the digital twin on the computer. And now you can go into this digital twin. We make changes in the digital twin, and then the digital twin needs to go back to the real world, to the what we call physical assets. So things that are in the real world, and make the changes in the real world. An example for you is relatively easy. You have a door. So the door can be open or closed, or it can be half open. So a smart factory would have a sensor, would sense whether the door is open, whether the door is closed, and whether the door is half open. And now we would have also the possibilities to remotely control. So they say, okay, this door should be open, this door should be closed. And then we have a little motor, or in this case, a robot that closes the door, or that opens the door, or keeps the door half open. So you can remotely control the door. If you expand this idea, if you want to see a cognitive factory in the real world, if everybody has heard about the autonomous driving cars that drive themselves, a self-driving car is a cognitive factory because there is a computer. The computer takes information from cameras, from sensors to know how the traffic is going. Then the computer decides how the car should behave. So a self-driving car is already a cognitive factory. So that would be a very extreme, but the simple case would be simply controlling a door.